Yeah, yesterday was a very busy day. Large hail, tornado reports, and we had some very strong wind gusts recorded at the local airports. So Crossville at the airport, 48 miles per hour, 46 miles an hour in Springfield. Nashville, 41 mile an hour wind gusts recorded at BNA. And Shelbyville saw wind gusts of 38 miles an hour. Clarksville, 37, Brentwood, 32, and Columbia, 31 miles an hour. Now, a severe wind gust is anything over 58 miles an hour, which we didn't record at the airports, but we did see a lot of wind damage, which, wind damage is caused by very strong winds. We had a ton of wind damage across our northern counties, but also a strong storm across southern Middle Tennessee. And then we had one that went through Rutherford County, causing a lot of wind damage in the Murfreesboro area. And we saw tons of viewer photos of that wind damage. And here's one from Jenny. You can see it uprooted this entire tree. Look at that huge root ball that got uprooted. So the wet ground, along with those really strong winds, caused a lot of damage, power outages. And thank goodness that storm is finally out of here. Back to you.